Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Lines. I am Hannah, your English teacher.
And hello, I am Mason. I am here to learn with you.
How are you today, Mason?
I am good, Hannah, but actually, I am a little tired.
Oh no, being tired is not fun. Today, our topic is very useful. It is about health. Specifically, we will learn how to make a doctor's appointment.
Making a doctor's appointment. That sounds important. But Hannah, what is an appointment?
Good question. An appointment is a meeting. It is a time you agree to meet someone.
So if I want to see the doctor, I need an appointment.
Exactly. You cannot just walk in. You must call first. You must schedule a time. That is an appointment. Can you say that word? Appointment.
Appointment. Appointment.
Perfect. Listeners, please repeat after Mason. Appointment.
Appointment.
Very good. Now, Mason, imagine you are sick. You do not feel well. What do you say?
I say, I am sick.
Yes. Or you can say, I don't feel well. Let's practice this. Listeners, listen and repeat. I don't feel well.
I don't feel well.
Good. Now let's start our first conversation. Mason, you are at home, you feel sick, you need to call the doctor.
Okay, I am ready.
Part 1. Calling the clinic. Ring ring. I will be the receptionist. The receptionist is the person who answers the phone.
Okay.
Hello, this is City Medical Clinic. How can I help you?
Hi, I want to see a doctor.
Okay, stop there. That is good, Mason, but we can make it better. We can use the word appointment.
Oh, right. Should I say I want to make an appointment?
Yes, that is perfect. I would like to make an appointment. It is polite and clear. Let's try again. Ring ring. Hello, City Medical Clinic. How can I help you?
Hello, I would like to make an appointment, please.
Very good. Listeners, did you hear that? I would like to make an appointment. Now, I will ask you a question, Mason. I will ask, what is the problem? Or, what are your symptoms?
Symptoms? What are symptoms?
Symptoms are the feelings in your body, like a headache, a fever, or a cough.
I understand. So if my head hurts, that is a symptom.
Yes. Let's list some simple symptoms. Headache, my head hurts. Fever, my body is too hot. Sore throat, my throat hurts when I speak.
Okay, I have a headache and a fever.
Let's go back to the role play. I will ask you what is wrong. Hello. Okay, sir, what is the reason for your visit?
I have a bad headache and a fever.
I see. When would you like to come in?
Now?
Now is a bit difficult. Usually, we ask for a day. You can say, is today possible? Or do you have any openings today?
Openings means free time?
Yes, an opening is a free time in the schedule.
Okay, I will ask, do you have any openings today?
Great. Let's practice that phrase. It is very common. Listeners, repeat after me. Do you have any openings?
Do you have any openings?
One more time. Do you have any openings?
Do you have any openings?
Part 2. Finding a time. Excellent. Now let's continue the call. You asked for an opening. Hello? Let me check our schedule. The doctor is busy this morning. We have an opening at 3 p.m. Does that work for you?
Yes, 3 p.m. is good.
Or maybe you are busy. What if you cannot go at 3 p.m.?
Then I say, no.
You can be more polite. You can say, I'm afraid I can't make that time. Or simply, do you have anything later?
Do you have anything later? I like that. It is simple.
Yes. Let's try again. I will offer a time and you ask for a later time. Hello, we have an opening at 10 a.m.
Do you have anything later?
Let me check. Yes, we have 4:30 p.m.
That is perfect. I will take that.
Great. Now the receptionist needs your name. Hello, can I have your full name and date of birth, please?
My name is Mason Smith. My date of birth is January 1st, 1990.
Okay, Mr. Smith, you are booked for 4:30 p.m. today.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Part 3. Practice time. Good job, Mason. That was a full conversation.
It was not too hard. I just need to remember the phrases.
Yes, repetition is key. Let's review the important words. I will say the word and you say the meaning, Mason. Word number 1, appointment.
A meeting time with the doctor.
Correct. Listeners, appointment. Word number 2, symptoms.
The bad feelings, like a headache or fever.
Correct. Listeners, symptoms. Word number 3, opening.
A free time in the schedule.
Correct. Listeners, opening. Now let's do a mini practice for our listeners. I will say a sentence in English. Mason, you wait. Listeners, try to say it, then Mason will say it. Ready? The sentence is, I need to see a doctor.
I need to see a doctor.
Good. Next sentence, do you have any openings today?
Do you have any openings today?
Last one, I have a fever.
I have a fever.
Wonderful! You are doing great. Part 4, the full dialogue. Now, let's put it all together. We will do the whole call again. I want the listeners to close their eyes and listen. Imagine you are making this call.
Okay, Hannah, I am ready. I am sick. I need a doctor.
Ring, ring. Good morning, West Side Clinic. How can I help you?
Good morning. I would like to make an appointment to see Dr. Green.
Okay, are you a new patient?
No, I have been there before. My name is Mason.
Thank you, Mason. What is the reason for your visit today?
I don't feel well. I have a sore throat and a headache.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let me check the doctor's schedule. Can you come in this morning?
No, I am working this morning. Do you have any openings this afternoon?
Let me see. We have a 2 p.m. opening and one at 4:15 p.m.
4:15 p.m. is better for me.
Okay, 4:15 p.m. Please bring your insurance card.
I will. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Feel better. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Part 5, Review and Goodbye. Wow, Mason, that was very smooth. You sounded like a native speaker.
Thank you, Hannah. It helps to practice.
It does. Remember, when you call a doctor, say, I would like to make an appointment. Describe your symptoms simply, headache, fever, and ask about openings or times.
And be polite. Say please and thank you.
Always. Manners are very important in English.
Hannah, what if I don't understand the receptionist? What if they speak too fast?
That is a great question. You can always say, can you please repeat that? Or please speak slowly.
Please speak slowly. That is my favorite phrase.
It is a very useful phrase. Never be afraid to ask. Well, that's all for today's episode of Daily English Lines.
Thank you for listening, everyone. We hope you feel confident now.
Yes, practice these phrases in front of a mirror. It helps.
See you next time.
Goodbye.